Before I started Face World, I spent 10 years working as a project manager in downtown Boston. If you're familiar with that industry, you will know that means endless meetings, countless stakeholders, decisions and follow-ups everywhere. I was fully manual. I remember, taking notes on the notebook with my pen, or I will open up Microsoft Word doc, or sometimes I will create a manual tracker using Excel. I was pretty good at it. I genuinely wish Granola existed back then, and here's why. Granola is not a note taker. Granola will sit quietly next to you for you to enter your thoughts in a peaceful and very calm way. It does not join your Zoom meeting, Google meetings, or Microsoft Teams meetings. It feels like a notebook, not a system watching you. You know why that matters? Because not everything needs automation. To me, Granola is transformative because it supports thinking, respects focus, and it doesn't overwrite my voice. I think Granola is helping me to become a better creator, a small business owner, not just capturing more data. I guess one of my favorite things when it comes to Granola is the interface. It's very clean and calm and easy to open. Currently, they support Mac and Windows, and it runs smoothly on iOS. Android is not yet available at this point. I am still relatively new to Granola, and I will tell you how I actually use it. While Granola is working as a notepad during my meetings. Once I'm done with the meetings, sometimes they're back to back, I will then talk to Granola and reflect on the meetings I just had. Whether I choose to search for all the meetings that happened that day, that week, or maybe I'll drill into one particular meeting, I can ask questions such as these. What themes keep coming up? What are some of the decisions that I made or didn't make? What feel unresolved? What are some of the questions I didn't ask but should have? How do I improve my styles and my questions? Granola as an AI tool doesn't hijack my voice. One of the features I love and I'm still learning to use better is called recipes. Think of them as shared thinking frameworks. Let me explain. Recipe allows you to enter prompts, create reflection lenses, and also remember best practices. And my favorite part of all this is not only that I get to create my own recipes or my own prompts, but I also get to access other people's as well, including influencers I absolutely love and been following for many, many years, someone such as Peter Young. I hope one day that I'm able to learn Granola so well and create very useful and meaningful prompts to share with you guys. I can honestly say that Granola is one of the first tools to help me process meetings and not just to memorize or storing these details as data. Previously on this channel, I reviewed tools such as Fathom and Zoom AI note-taking. And I would say that Granola is very different. I included a link for you to download and explore. With my link or the code FaceWorld, you'll get 1 month paid plan for free. Because not only you get to learn how you decide and reflect, you get to see how other people reflect, decide, and communicate. I think so much of what we talked about in the past 10 years especially is emotional intelligence. This is not just for creators and small business owners, even for senior executives. So I think we owe it to ourselves to find a safe and calm way to learn from the way that we communicate with anyone. As a content creator, I'm constantly on calls with brands and affiliate marketing managers to talk about what we can create, whether it's videos or articles. And those meetings can go by so fast. They're usually 20 to 30 minutes in length. These are the people that I don't speak to very often. So it's really important that when I meet them for the first time, I get to cover all the main points. The good news is with Granola, you can write down questions to remind yourself of what you need to discuss. It could be your go-to and one-stop shop for running smoother meetings and have better reflections and clear to-dos after. I also use Granola for client calls, including intake, ongoing status calls. As you know, I also run Face World podcast. Now I have Granola running on the sideline to help me understand the interview from a different perspective, and I can have conversations about the interviews I just had. Most of my interviews have video content, and it's something that I have with my interview guests for an hour or more, and I'm able to learn so much more from the conversation. I can create show notes, reflections, key takeaways, and even shareable social media content like quotes. Granola helped me understand something pretty deep, which is not about content hoarding. Rather, it's about leveling up together. Because of Granola, I realized that project management mindset never really leaves me. Every day, I'm still thinking about context, follow-ups, and decisions, and granola supports me in a calm way. The reason why you should try granola is because it doesn't just make you sound better, but it helps you think and do better. If you value focus over automation, reflection over performance, learning over shortcuts, this is worth exploring. I would love to see your comments below. I'm very excited about recording this video because granola really exceeded my expectations. I have played with, I've seen so many of these tools. I've used many of them over the years, and this has been such a game changer. So I hope it will make your life easier as well. Remember, there's a super slick mobile app that you can carry with you everywhere. I generally use it on my computer, desktop, as well as my mobile phone, depending on where I am, what I'm about to do. So I love the fact that everything just syncs very naturally and have fun. I think Granola makes so many meetings more enjoyable, and it becomes a learning ground that I just didn't expect. I hope you experience the same. Until next time, and let me know what else you would like me to share. Even though I haven't been working as a project manager now for about 10 years, there's a certain aspect of that I truly miss because I enjoy bringing context and these unique learning experiences to me and my team. I would love to combine learnings from tools such as this to this audience on the Face World. I've been producing videos and content consistently here on YouTube since late 2019. I need to continue to evolve the channel. I welcome your ideas, your thoughts, and thank you for being here. I hope you consider subscribing and share this video or any others that you like with your colleagues and friends.